Hello fellow travelers, today on Exit Through the Gift Shop we're at the Fraser Valley Heritage Railway Society. Here we're standing inside one of only 7 remaining cars from the BC Electric Railway. This is an interurban car. The 4 of those are housed right here at the Fraser Valley Heritage Railway. This is a map of the BC Electric Railway routes, which existed from the early 1900s through until the 1950s. It's incredible to think that an electric transit system was in place back then that was even more extensive than what we have today, and stretched all the way from Vancouver to out to Chilliwack area. The Heritage Railway Society is committed to restoring all 4 cars that they currently own. This one is number 1231 and it's currently restoration in progress. In the future they hope to be able to actually run all 4 cars and extend their route as far as Newton and Surrey.
Thing here that's called the VELOCIPEDE. We found this hiding in a flower garden in White Rock, completely rotten.
In the Discovery Centre you can view several interurban streetcars which are in various stages of restoration, as well as artifacts from the area. Outside you can actually take a ride on the speeder, which you can see down here, or one of the working interurban streetcars as well. So come down, check it out. This is a very cool way to experience a lost part of our BC heritage. Very amazing to think that that they had an electric railway system far more expansive than what we have in today. And 100 years later, we're now switching back from fossil fuels back to electric vehicles and seeing the expansion of things like SkyTrain to further our transit system. But for now, it's time to exit through the gift shop.